Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will create a yet another project and we will try to understand how to execute a JSP and a HTML file. So let's get started. First of all, we would be adding a dynamic web project and we will give the name as hello JSP and we will click on next. Everything seems to be okay. Let's click on next, and in here this context root is important. Context root needs to be unique for every project in Eclipse, so take a note of it. Alright. Now let us click on finish, and here is our project. Now friends, we have already understood that how to create a servlet, and we have also executed a very small little project based on servlet. Now when it comes to JSP are similar to view files, similar to HTML file, but inside a JSP file definitely we can also execute JSP based code. So first of all, let us create a HTML file. So in order to create a HTML file, simply highlight this web content folder, right click, navigate to new and create a new HTML file, and I will give the name as hello HTML, and we will click on finish. And here is our HTML file. And simply we can print anything in here. We can make use of HTML codes and things like that. So in here, let me update the title with hello HTML. And we will also add a heading inside the body as hello HTML again. The way of executing is very simple. Simply right click by highlighting the HTML file and run this on the server. So this will take some time in order to start up the web server, and then you would be able to see the web page on the web browser. Here we go. So this is cool. Now let us again right click this web content folder, and this time we will be adding a JSP file, and the name would be hello JSP, and we will click on finish. Now again, the file is very similar, and in here there are like some additional code. We will talk about templates and JSP code in our forthcoming videos, but in here the way is again very simple. Inside this title we will type in hello JSP, and take a note of it, we can easily make use of HTML tags in here as well. And inside this h1 tag we will simply print hello JSP. Now friends, the only difference when it comes to what we say JSP page and HTML page is that inside the JSP page we can also add in the JSP codes, and in fact we can also make use of JSTL. So JSP and JSTL is something which we will definitely discuss in a greater detail in our forthcoming videos. As of now, let us quickly run this file, and here is the output. Now in our next video we will discuss about servlet lifecycle, so that would be interesting. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.